I'm here at the Turkey Creek boardwalk. One last trip before I fly home. I want to make a trip down the boardwalk, and I figured I'd record it and share it with y'all. One last time before I go back to my beloved mountains. Is the Turkey Creek Trail. As you can see, it's fully handicap accessible. It's about a mile, so out and back it's a 2-mile trip. It's all boardwalk all over the creek and the swampy area around the creek. Absolutely gorgeous. On my way out, I saw a blue heron and a couple of squirrels, lots of spiders. You want to be careful in the early mornings because it's so humid here in Florida that even though it didn't rain, the boardwalk was very wet this morning. But it really wasn't too difficult. Just be aware. If you're on a manual wheelchair, there may be a few grades that are a little challenging, but if you're in a manual wheelchair, you're probably kind of used to it. It was all fully accessible. If you are in a powered chair or a wider scooter or something, just be aware that some areas of the trail might be a little on the narrow side. Not too narrow to get through, but narrow enough that it might cause problems if there are other scooters or one of the golf carts that they use as part of the maintenance team are trying to pass. But certainly nothing insurmountable. Hope you enjoyed this trip on the Turkey Creek Nature Trail, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe Aislinn's video, and y'all have a blessed day and choose joy.